we got another package. So, yeah, let's open this. This should be my Luigi plush. If it's not, I'm gonna be mad. Oh, I see him. Come out of there, buddy. It's Luigi.
Hey guys, it's me, Luigi.
Yes. Finally, I got my Luigi. A better Luigi, in my opinion. Yes. You'll be seeing me in the next video. Woohoo! Here's a comparison of them. Compare Luigi, my new Luigi compared to my old All-Stars Luigi. And here's my Luigi compared to my new Super Mario Bros. Wii Mario. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.